Hi, this is Karen with WTI. This vitamin mixer has been a soldier in my kitchen. And when I said a soldier, is like he will take anything and he will demolish it because of the powerful motor, which allows me to blend even the toughest ingredient with ease. The blades are designed to create a vortex that pulls the ingredient down towards the blades and ensuring a smooth and consistent blending result. And I really like the fact that the lid has an opening so I can still add the spices to my liking. I really like that it's capable of performing a wide range of tasks, including blending, puring, chopping, grinding, and even heating soups. And another great thing is that it's super easy to clean. I just add water and soap. I put it to the whole maximum power and it's clean by itself. So, I mean, I save time with that and the headache of trying to get to every single corner. So, it's clean, super easy, and super fast. And that's our point of view.